Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. Today I just want to show you how you can download the answer keys to the standard course series. So first, in order to download the answer keys, go to the publisher's website, which is blcup.com. So now you're at the publisher's website in English. First, you need to switch to Chinese. So click on 中文 on the top right corner. And now we need to navigate to the HSK standard course series. It's easiest to just go through the sliders and then find the HSK series in the sliders and just click on the slider. So now you see HSK 标准教程, which is HSK standard course. And now you see in the product list, you see all the HSK books and workbooks. You might need to paginate to the next page by clicking on, the page number or 下一页, which is next page. Let's say that you want to download the workbook answers for HSK 4, right? So let's say you want to download the HSK 4 上, HSK 4上 textbook, the workbook answer keys. So just click on this thumbnail for HSK 4 上 workbook. Now you see this. Let me just turn on my phone. Okay, so now you see this button, 资源下载. It's this red button with a download icon. Click on that, 资源下载. It means resource download. And now, if you scroll down, when you see 资源列表, a resource list, you see there are a number of items that you can click on. The first one is HSK 标准教程练习册4上听力文本及参考答案. It means it's the answer keys and the transcript for the listening part for the workbook. So if you click on this icon, click on this item, now you're on another page for this resource. You need to click on the purple button, 资源下载 again, this purple button with a download icon. So click on that. And then you're prompted with a dialog box. Just click OK. Click 确定. And now you have to log in. If you don't have an account with them, you just need to create one with an email address. It's very easy. Now, fill in your username and password, and then type in the CAPTCHA. And now you're back to the same page. So click on the purple button again, and then just click OK. Ignore the warning. And now you're taken to this list. This is a download page. Now, what you have to do is go to the very right and see this button, 下载. 下载 means to download. Click on that. And now the file is downloaded to your download. So just open the file. So here's the file that I downloaded. Oops, not that one. Okay, so here's the file that I just downloaded. First, this is all the transcript for the listening exercises, right? So everything that the CD says, it's all here. And then at the end of each lesson, there is a part that says 参考答案. See that? This part. And it goes over all the questions and it gives you the answer key to all the questions. And then lesson 2, the transcript for lesson 2, and then the answer key for lesson 2, and lesson 3, transcript for lesson 3, and then the answer keys for lesson 3, right? So on and so forth. For some books, for some textbooks and workbooks, the answer keys for all the lessons are at the very end of the document. So you might open a document that doesn't seem to have the answer keys. The answer keys might be just at the very back of the document. So check there. Okay. So I hope this helps you to find the answer keys to all these workbooks and textbooks. And I hope this helps you to navigate their otherwise not so easy to use website. Okay, so see you again in the next video.